Hello dear listeners, Assalamu alaikum. You are welcome back to my channel. You are watching Dr. Redwan Media. This is Dr. Redwanul Haq Redwan in front of you. Let's learn how to be a blunt spoken man in English. Composed of স্থির বা স্থিরীকৃত, composed of স্থির বা স্থিরীকৃত, composed of এটা হচ্ছে একটা appropriate preposition. Composed of স্থির বা স্থিরীকৃত. Our class is composed of 30 students. Our class is composed of 30 students. Our class is composed of 30 students. যে 30 জন ছাত্র নিয়ে আমাদের ক্লাসটি গঠিত। এই যে এইভাবে আমরা বারবার প্র্যাকটিস করব। We know that practice makes a man perfect. That's why we have to practice. We belong to practice. Then we will make ourselves as a fluent speaker, as a blunt spoken man, as a fluent speaker. Okay, next time see you again in my another videos. Stay with us and stay safe till then. Okay, Assalamu alaikum.